It's time to give your skin that vitamin C boost. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple, effective and all natural DIY face pack using just 3 powerful ingredients. The Amla powder, also known as Indian gooseberries. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps in reducing dark spots, pigmentation, and it improves your skin texture. I'm using this organic amla powder. If you have fresh amlas, you can always grind and make a paste out of it and use it for the face pack. Amla also has anti-aging properties which will keep your skin firm and youthful. Second ingredient is my favorite, the honey. Honey will deeply moisturize your skin. It has antibacterial properties that help in preventing breakouts. It gives the skin a natural glow and softness. The third one is the yogurt. It's a natural source of lactic acid which gently exfoliates the skin, removes dead cells, and gives your skin a smooth, glowing appearance. Yogurt also helps with suntan and dryness. This pack is amazing for brightening your skin, fading pigmentation, and giving your skin a natural glow. So you're gonna take all these 3 ingredients in a bowl. 1 teaspoon of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of fresh yogurt, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix everything together in a clean bowl until you get a smooth paste. And once the paste is ready, we're gonna let it sit for a minute before using it. If you have like dry skin, you can always add few drops of rose water or aloe vera gel to this face pack. And if you have oily skin, then you can always add pinch of turmeric to it. I like to use it as is. So once the paste is all ready, we're gonna apply it evenly all over our face and neck. Make sure your skin is clean and dry before applying the face pack. Now apply it all over your face and neck and then let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You can leave it for 25 minutes too. Very important tip guys, please do a patch test before trying anything new on your skin. And once the face pack starts to dry off, you're gonna feel that tightness. We're gonna start massaging our face with our fingers in circular motion and then rinse it off with cold water or lukewarm water, or just wipe it off with wet towel. You're gonna see instant fresh and glowing look. Your skin will be so soft. You can use this face pack like 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Use fresh ingredients every time. Don't save this face pack for later, especially when you're using yogurt. Just use the entire thing at once. And once you are done cleaning your face, don't forget to moisturize it. I love to use oil after every face pack. You can use any oil or you can use a moisturizer. My favorite is the argan oil. You can use coconut oil, argan oil, almond oil, any oil you can use it. I hope you give this amazing DIY face pack a try because believe me, your skin will thank you for it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare videos. and healthcare tips. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful, healthy, glowing skin.